This is a 2-bed, 2-bath apartment located at 1946 Ambrosi Road. Upon entering, immediately to the right is a closet and the washer and dryer. Entering the bathroom, there is a white stone vanity with a brown wood finish, featuring 4 cupboards below with sleek black handles. The sink is centered on the countertop. To the left, a bathtub with a black shower head. Towel hangers are located on the left side of the bathroom. The entire space is finished with hard surface. Light-colored luxury vinyl plank flooring. Exiting the bathroom, to the right is a room. Upon entering, a large closet is located to the right. And across from the door is a large window. The walls throughout the apartment are painted in light gray tones, contributing to a bright and open feel. Continuing down the hallway, the open concept kitchen and living area come into view. To the left side of the kitchen is the primary bedroom, which features a spacious closet with shelves on each side. The closet leads into the primary ensuite bathroom, which includes a walk-in shower and a dark brown, 4-compartment vanity with a white countertop. In the kitchen, there is an island with a sink and 3 cupboards below the white countertop. Beside the cupboards is a built-in dishwasher. The kitchen also features overhead cabinets above the stove, with a microwave mounted above the stove. On the left side of the kitchen, against the wall, there's a full-sized fridge. Under-cabinet task lighting provides ample light over the white countertop. Opposite the kitchen, the dining area is positioned with space for a dining table. To the left of the dining area, there is a door leading to the private balcony. The large windows throughout the living space allow for plenty of natural light.